Good morning. Today is November 22nd, and it is a Friday. And today we have Flash PMI at 9:45, so it should be good to trade. Right onto the charts. So, zooming out, I am bullish today. Classic expansion week. Tuesday low of the week. Expansion up. The manipulation leg, 2 to 2.5 standard deviation, lines up very, very nicely with all of these equal highs within here. That's where I want to be targeting. So my external draw is higher. And price is setting up very nicely. High, 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 high. All these equal highs to be swept. There's our buy side liquidity. And right now we are retracing into a 1 hour order block. 1 hour order block. And looks like we're pushing through this hourly fair value gap. So at market open, I'd want to see some type of move down, maybe sweep this liquidity. Come into this fair value gap. Some type of little move down to sweep liquidity. And also have to be aware of 9:45 news. Okay, I'll be aware of that. But yeah, pretty clean day setting up so far. Should be able to take a long somewhere in here today. We'll be looking for SMT. Did we already get SMT there? Hold up. 8:15. 9. I don't know if that's the same low. Maybe on the 1 minute. Where's it that low? 8:32. I mean, yeah, that is SMT. This isn't able to sweep this low. So I will be aware. This could be a protected low and we don't go any lower, but I would like to see us sweep this and maybe get some more SMT, some cleaner SMT. But yeah, should be a clean day. And I'll come back for aftermarket. And yeah, peace.